Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of First Tries Cooking. It's a cold and dreary February day and my girlfriend is out running errands, so I thought I'd surprise her, hopefully, if this works out, because I've never done this, not successfully anyway. Today we're making candied bacon. I'm not a big fan of sweets, but I am a fan of bacon. So we're gonna give this a try and see how it goes. All right, here I've got 4 slices of bacon. They're thick cut, and I believe they're applewood smoked. They might be hickory, I can't remember. What I'm gonna do is put some pepper, a little bit of cayenne pepper, because my girlfriend doesn't really like spicy too much, and some dark brown sugar. Then we'll transfer them to the pan. So let's start with the pepper here. I'm gonna coat it semi-lightly on both sides. I don't want it to be super peppery. I'm gonna go ahead and put some cayenne on the one side. And try not to put too much. I don't know if this is just an idea I'd had kind of rolling around in my head on how to do this, so it's kind of an experiment. We'll see how it works. Get some pepper on the other side, maybe. Oops, if I hold it the right way. There we go. And then we're gonna top them with some brown sugar. Put it on both sides. I should have probably done the other side already, but again, I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing here. Okay, I made an executive decision to go ahead and put these on the pan. This is parchment paper, and I'm gonna try something that I've never done. Well, besides the fact that I've never tried this before, I'm gonna try cooking bacon in a way I've never cooked before. I have baked bacon before. We do that on a regular basis. We really like how crispy it gets. We turn the oven to about 375 when we cook just bacon by itself. Seems to be the, no pun intended, but the sweet spot for it. Here, I'm gonna turn it to 325 because I don't want the sugar to burn. I do want the bacon cooked. I'm gonna finish coating this up. All right, got these coated, and I'm going to put a second sheet of parchment paper on it. You could probably use aluminum foil as well. I'm just choosing to use this. And then for the trick, I'm gonna put a second baking sheet on. I'm hoping this will keep it flat. All right, we've got the oven preheated to 325. Let's throw them in the oven. Okay, these have been in the oven for 20 minutes. Fogging my glasses up. I'm gonna take them out and check on. How to do this? How to do this? I don't know if they're gonna be done or not, but we will find out shortly. No, they are not. It looks like they're cooking evenly, so I'm going to put them back in the oven for another 10 minutes. All right, guys, we got this cooking for another 10 minutes. Oh, and I got steamed up again. All right, let's take a peek, shall we? Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. I think I'm gonna let it go for just a little bit longer. I mean, it looks okay, but I mean, I don't know. I want it a little bit more crispy. So I want it in for another 10 minutes. Okay, we've got it going another 10 minutes. This is going to be 40 minutes so far. I think we're done. All right, so at this point, I'm just gonna let them cool off, and then we'll pull them off that parchment paper and see what we've got. Hopefully it's good. All right, I don't know if this makes a difference, but I'm gonna take them off of this parchment that they cooked on and put them on some clean parchment. Because they're already getting tough to get off of here. There we go. Oh boy, that's sticky looking. And there, my friends, you have candied bacon. So let's give it a try. All right, Erin's home. She got home right before it was finished, and it looks pretty good.
I was surprised. I didn't know he was doing this.
Yeah, well, that was the idea.
Yeah.
So,
Let me
take one. Let's see what this tastes like.
I'm sure this is going to be terrible.
Uh-huh. Well, I already told everybody I don't really like sweets, so we'll see. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's sticky.
Mm-hmm.
Got a good flavor, though.
Tastes good.
It looks burned, but it's
very sticky.
Mm-hmm. I don't know if you throw them in the refrigerator if it'll make them less sticky, but
Tastes really good, though.
Mm-hmm.
I like it.
So just so you know, I put black pepper, brown sugar on both sides, and then on one side I put a little bit of cayenne, but not enough to make it
I
hot.
tasted a little hint of
I figured you might. So, yeah, I didn't want to put a lot, so I didn't want it to be too spicy for you, unless, you know, I had to eat all of it.
Yeah.
Which would be just a tragedy.
Yeah.
So.
I'm glad you didn't put a lot, though. It's good. Yeah. It's a good mix.
This is good.
Sweet and spicy.
So yeah, give it a try. Thanks for joining us again. Might be doing another video even tonight. We'll see. But if not, we'll see you next time. And please, if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. I'm not going to do all the stuff that Grant does, but we'll see you next time.
Yeah, see you next time.